Hello and good evening to all our lecturers. We from Group 12A would like to present the material selection for wings for fighter jets and commercial passenger aircraft. To, my name is Jeremy Jumbun Anaksari, matrix number CD17004, and I will be presenting the abstract of this project title. The abstract. To select the best materials for specific components or parts, engineers play a pivotal role as they are the ones getting assigned from the task of selecting the correct materials. Material selection system is used to segregate multiple types of composites into specific groups that fulfills the material selection requirements such as strength, stiffness, cost, and inclusive of aesthetics. This was to be done in order to select the best suitable materials for particular components. There are differences between the wings of fighter jets and commercial passenger aircraft that should be explained in details in the discussion section of this project. The keywords for this is best materials, specific components, fighter jets, commercial passenger aircraft. That is all from me, and I will pass it to my friends. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Amiruddin Baharudin, matrix number CD180194, and today I will present about the introduction for our engineering material selection group assignment. Okay, so the introduction is fighter jet and commercial plane is an aircraft which is a vehicle that able to fly by gaining support from the air. Fighter jet often referred to simply as a fighter, and it is a military fixed-wing aircraft designed primarily for air-to-air combat against other aircraft. The key performance of a fighter jet includes not only its firepower but also its high speed and maneuverability relative to the target aircraft. Commercial plane, as we all know, that we call aeroplane, such as Boeing 737 airliner, is an example of a fixed-wing aircraft commercial plane. Fixed wing is capable of flight using wings that generate lift caused by the aircraft forward airspeed and the shape of the wings. Fixed wing are distinct from rotary wing aircraft and ornithopters.
For this part, I'm Joshua Computer with the matrix number CD170152 will be presenting about the comparison of military and commercial aircraft for the first half of our group assignment discussion. The difference between military and commercial aircraft development is military aircraft takes 4 times longer to develop, the latest untested development of technology. It performs various types of tasks and missions, and the wings are positioned higher than other aircraft. For the commercial aircraft, they rely on existing technologies, transport passengers and cargoes, and it has wings that are low down or centrally positioned. The importance of wing designs and developments are the main factors: the abilities to take off. Second is the efficiency during flight. The surface of the wings will experience different state of stress. First, the lower surface will experience compression. Second, the upper surface will experience tension, which is on the ground. The third state is reversed when on flight. So the ideal materials for aircraft designs are, which is considered the utmost importance that can cater the different heat treatments. Secondly, good fatigue resistance. Next, strength and stiffness. Lastly, damage tolerance. So the selection of materials may vary between military and commercial aircraft. Material of military aircraft wings: carbon and glass fibers reinforced plastics, in short form CFRP and GFRP. They are high mechanical properties and relatively low on price. A few drawbacks: mechanical degradation. delamination, and propagation cracks, and it has high-cost manufacturing method. For aramid fibers reinforced plastics, in short, AFRP and GLARE, they are high mechanical thermal properties, high impact strength, and ability to reduce cracks. So these are the diagram of the structural repair for materials of aircraft wings. First is the 2000 series aluminum alloys based on the aluminum, which is the copper system. Second is 7000 series aluminum alloy based on the aluminum zinc copper magnesium system. Next is aluminum lithium alloy tailed with titanium alloy and glass or carbon reinforced polymer composites. Last but not least, stainless steel. These are the materials that we use for commercial aircraft wings. And that's it for the first half of the discussion. Thank you.
Doctor, I'm Loginder Analaki Mobaya from Group 12A. Here I'm going to present about discussion of our project. In this part consists of four divisions. So firstly, the materials used in the design of aircraft wings and their properties. The design of an aircraft must take in consideration a multitude of factors such as efficiency, comfort, safety and reliability. For example, aluminum alloys are lower density values compared to the steel alloys with good corrosion resistance, while steel alloys have a greater tensile strength as well as a higher elastic modulus. Titanium is also a lightweight, strong and corrosion resistant metal. As a result, all these materials are used in the parts of aircraft design structures. Secondly, composite materials in the aircraft industry. In addition to metals, composite materials are also used within the aircraft industry due to their strength, relatively low weight and corrosion resistance. Although composite materials are mainly used in the manufacture of modern aircraft and their use has been gradually increasing over the last few years. As the figure here shown, that 50% of composite structure are used in Boeing 787 Dreamliner. After that, the wings of a modern aircraft. The wings of a modern aircraft can be designed as a combination of different types of materials depending on their specific structural function. The structure of the wing of an aircraft is comprised of several different elements, namely spars, skin and ribs, as well as control surfaces such as ailerons and flaps. Steel and aluminum alloys can be used in the manufacture of ribs, while composite material can be used in the design of the wing skin and the control surfaces. Then the last point is improving aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. So the material chosen in each application focused on aircraft design in order to improve aspects such as aerodynamic efficiency, fuel consumption, and noise generation. Several new concepts related to innovative wing shapes and materials are under development, focusing on reduction of drag and noise levels and potentially increasing the fuel efficiency. It has been estimated that 1% of reduction of the amount of drag for a large transport aircraft can save up to 400,000 liters of fuel, thus reducing emissions by around 5,000 kg. That's all.
commercial aircraft and fighter jets gotta be used to different materials. To conclude this report, commercial aircraft and fighter jets will serve in two different aspects: in the weight and the more sturdy materials for the fighter jet. Lighter materials is needed to reducing their fuel usage, but there is material will give them less negative impact after the years of usage. That's for the commercial flight. And for the fighter jets, more sturdy, strong material is much needed. This is because the fighter jets need to overcome high speed, so the lighter the weight, but the more sturdy material. Overall, the reliability of the material is the main foundation in the aircraft. Cost, weight, efficiency, and the current trend. These will influence the buyers. Therefore, we need to know the right material for the right aircraft. Thank you.